2020 turns out to be the worst year the world has ever seen. COVID 19 deaths, lockdown, pandemic, economic recession, job losses, mental depression, hundreds and thousands of migrants walking home, several being run over by trains, floods, earthquakes, cyclone, aircraft crashes, locust attack, forest fires, and so on. The list is too long and terrifying.
I know this year was terrible for all of us, but there's always a brighter side. Here in this video, I've compiled a list of all the good and positive things that had happened in 2020 so that it can give you the reason to smile and enthusiasm to welcome 2021. Our first good news is from medicinal field.
Fastest development of vaccine. Before 2020, no vaccine had ever been developed, trialed and approved in under 4 years. But this time, we did it in less than 12 months. The biggest achievement in the field of vaccine.
You might be thinking that how we have achieved such an impossible task in a period of 12 months. So the reason is new technique, which is mRNA method, which we have used to develop this vaccine.
Traditional vaccines involves injecting a dead or weaker form of viruses into the body, which triggers our immune system to produce proteins called antibodies to fight against the viruses. But this approach has some issues. For example, in this approach, the dead or weakened viruses must be grown inside the live cells, which means the production process quite slow. This method has some risk as well, because in this method we are introducing the actual virus into the body. While in mRNA approach, they use the encode instructions into a synthetic strand of mRNA. mRNA, which is messenger ribonucleic acid, is a molecule that exists within the body. They carry the instruction from DNA to the part of cells that creates protein. To produce an mRNA vaccine, scientists produce a synthetic version of the mRNA that a virus used to build its infectious protein. This mRNA is delivered into the human body. Cells read it as an instructions to build that viral protein and therefore create some of the virus's molecule themselves. Don't worry, this protein cannot be assembled to form a virus. The immune system then detects these viral proteins and start to produce a defense response to them.
This is a very unique technique to develop vaccine. So far, no such mRNA vaccine has been approved for any infectious disease. Moving on to the next environmental friendly news.
2020 is the first year since the beginning of an industrial revolution that saw more coal plants close than new ones open. Solar and wind power is now taking over coal power because the price of solar and wind power production has dropped significantly all over the globe. Coal generation drops by 8.3% in the first half of 2020 compared to the same period in 2019. This is huge progress towards cutting down fossil fuel use in producing power and a good step in moving towards renewable source of energy. Carbon emission dropped by the highest amount ever recorded thanks to COVID-19 that helped in dropping carbon emission worldwide, which fell to a record 7% in 2020. A decline in transportation activities helped a global drop in carbon emission. The US had the largest drop in carbon emission by 12%, followed by European Union by 11%, while India saw a drop in emission of 9% and China had dropped of 1.7%.
Let's move on to the space to find out our next news.
Good news from space. Being stuck at home didn't mean that humanity had to stop exploring the space. This year, Japanese scientist has made history by bringing asteroid sample down to Earth It's only the second time in history that mankind has managed this difficult task. This is an important step not only in understanding our solar system but in building an asteroid mining industry that may be the driving economy force for the next century. This is not the only good news from space. NASA launched its own asteroid sample return mission known as NASA OSIRIS mission, which had three extraordinary goals when it launched in September 2016. First, to land on an asteroid, collect sample and return them to Earth by the end of October 2020. So far, this mission has accomplished first two objectives, but it has not yet returned back to the Earth. Its arrival is expected to be in 2023. The mission target was the asteroid Bennu. The distance of Bennu from Earth is over 300 million kilometers. It's a lump of rock approximately 490 meters across that shape a bit like a spinning top. Next, China and US both launched robot mission to Mars, and Elon Musk SpaceX launched second crewed mission to the International Space Station, sending 4 astronauts on a 6-month journey.
Next news is mainly for science lovers.
Picture of individual atom. An enormous breakthrough happened in the field of science in June 2020 in the form of technology that can picture individual atom for the first time. Using a technique known as cryo-electron microscopy, scientists at the Max Planck Institute firing electron at frozen protein sample to picture a structure of atom which is 1.2 angstrom in size. By achieving electronic resolution using cryogenic electron microscopy, researchers will be able to understand the extraordinary detail and the working of proteins that can't easily be explained by other imaging techniques.
Are you happy now or need some more news? Okay, moving on to the next news, which is again from medicinal field.
Scientists created first 3D printed heart by using human cells. Israeli researchers has created an entire 3D printed heart made from human stem cells. The new 3D printed heart contains cells, blood vessels, chambers and other structures a heart needed to function normally. But right now, the heart which they have developed doesn't beat and is too small for use in people. But this little organ is considered a big achievement in the current effort to finding new treatment for heart diseases. Heart transplantation is currently the only option for people with severe heart failure, but finding donor is not an easy task. This 3D printing technique using human cell could help in saving lives in future.
I have lot more good news and research for you all. So stay tuned with our channel Be Convinced Science, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe it now because this channel is solely for science and research. Also follow me on Instagram, the handle is in the description box. Also comment me down which is your favorite good news. See you in the next video.